Still got more clothes. Oh, I forgot.
Does Granddad know what this is?
Yeah. We've had it forever. It came in months ago.
I think I know what it is.
She doesn't like me, but she's gonna put her face.
Have you seen it? Has Granddad seen it?
Mm-hmm.
Don't tell her.
Don't tell me.
Brittany hasn't seen it.
I haven't
Oh,
seen
you
it.
haven't seen it?
I haven't seen it either.
Have a feeling. It's all my two girls. Oh, how cute.
Do you like it?
I do. I do. Who are those pretty girls on there?
These are my two little teeth.
I know.
Oh,